In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Square Connector app in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance the efficiency of managing your financial transactions. Let's dive right in and guide you through this simple yet important setup. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll navigate to a lot of different functionalities within QuickBooks. From this panel, go ahead and click on Transactions. This step is pivotal as it leads you to where all your financial data is organized, allowing you to manage and oversee your business's transactions effectively. Once you're in the Transactions section, you will notice several options. What you need to do next is scroll down or locate the app transactions from this list. Selecting this will bring up a section that's dedicated to apps connected to your QuickBooks Online. This is where we'll focus on setting up the Square Connector. After entering the App Transactions section, you'll see a range of available options. Look for the Square Connector within this list. If your business uses Square to handle transactions, this connector is a powerful tool to streamline data integration between Square and QuickBooks. Once you've found the Square Connector, go ahead and select it. You'll see an option that allows you to connect. Click on this and you're initiating the basic connection setup. Now, at this point, the primary setup is nearly complete. However, to ensure that the connection is secure and functioning, you'll need to proceed with the authentication process. Authentication is crucial as it verifies your identity and guarantees that the correct data flows between Square and QuickBooks. You'll likely be prompted to log into your Square account, where you'll authorize the connection. Follow these steps and QuickBooks will handle the rest. Once authenticated, the connection process will conclude shortly after. This seamless integration will allow your transactions from Square to automatically sync with QuickBooks Online, reducing manual entry, minimizing errors, and saving valuable time in managing your finances. And there you have it, you're all set. You've successfully connected the Square Connector in QuickBooks Online, and you can now enjoy a smoother and more efficient financial data management system. This setup helps to keep everything up to date, ensuring that your business transactions are always accurately reflected in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you in connecting the Square Connector app in QuickBooks Online. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore more instructional videos on related topics or reach out to support for specialized help.